very, very sleepy. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I don't understand it either, Shayna. It asks for green tomatoes. Tomatoes, I apologize, tomatoes. However, I don't have enough in my garden, and I'm not willing to part with them for this purpose. And so I asked around my neighborhood if anyone had them, but unfortunately no one did. And so here we are, without green tomatoes. They didn't have them at the grocery store. We'll just be doing the best that we can. Okay, we've got to plug this in.
Mario, come here.
No, leave her alone. What? Oh, no.
Is that a head bonk?
Tipped over.
Mario.
Come here. I put you down for just a moment and you fell over. Right, no, you will not, because you will immediately hand her back to someone. Just stop, just stop. Oh my goodness, she's not into this. Green tomatoes equals little flavour but lots of moisture. So I don't need it to have that much moisture. So I'm just going to not worry about it. See, and then I was able to do that with one hand, which is something that we practice often around here. Millie does love Mary very much. All right. It's about half of what we need, which is good because we have one more, which is exactly how many we need here. How many of you find yourself thinking, oh my goodness, I would very much like to leave this channel anytime she does a ridiculous accent? How many of you think that? Because I think it's most of you. A 1 in the chat if that is your general disposition. Not me. Skullbone says no. Bonfire, hello, how are you, friend? Good gracious. What a good girl. You're such a good girl. I know, you're so grumpy right now. When was the last time that you had a bottle? Did anyone give you a bottle upstairs?
No.
No? Alright. Micah? Who's up there?
She had one. She has one down here. She just never finished it.
Oh, where would one look to find it?
I'll give it to her in a second. If you just hang tight.
Squash. I've done it. Oh, good gracious. There's squash falling apart right now. This is very difficult to do with one baby in one hand.
You're doing a squash in this breakfast lasagna?
For the chow chow, which goes on top. Just trust me, it's like a pickled veg situation. It will be good. Okay, I need 1 cup of shredded squash, and honestly, I do not think I needed this much. I think I really overdid it. Well, there's about 1.5 cups. And then we should put this off to the side and make like zucchini bread or something out of it, except it's not zucchini. It's summer squash, and it smells exactly like a pumpkin. It smells like a pumpkin in here. Where are the little zipper pouches? The little zipper containers, you know. They prevent us from using excessive amounts of plastic. What we are doing. Oh, I love the voice. I'm covered in water from work, but it's good. I am well, Bonfire, and I appreciate you being here. I hope you enjoyed the accent. It is going to be here for 22 more minutes, offending all of the English people in chat and anyone who has ever perhaps watched a lot of BBC. All right. Let's see. Doing all this. I ought not complain to you about it, right? All right. Here we are. All right, that's enough there. Put that there. What other do we have to do? We have to do shredded bell pepper, jalapeno, and then I think
I've kind of zoned out.
Is it. You've zoned out the accent? Oh, I'm sorry. Hannah, there's your board.
It's not done.
It's not?
No.
What else is going to happen?
I gotta let the first part dry though.
All right.
Gotta let that dry. Come here, you.
Oof. Doing a little bit of one-handed cooking is a little difficult. Looking cool so far, says Hannah.
Okay, let it dry. Let it dry.
I wonder, Hannah, would you have preferred it to be green? Our children.
Green.
I'm asking if she would have preferred green. Yes. Oh, good golly. I'm just knocking things all over the place. I'm about to give up on this completely. I just don't think. Alright, there's this, and there's this. There's now little bits of jalapeno all over the floor. Alright. Okay, that's done. I'm going to do this here. I'm going to put this here. No, that is not correct. That was not what I intended to do. Let's try this again. Oh, I need the... Right, the shredder is going to be an absolutely integral part of the whole thing, isn't it? Do you ever listen